To create a post in the Educator dashboard, you're going to go to sfhs.com/admin, and then you will log in with your St. Francis username and password. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the 4-box icon on the left, and then go to Posts, and then Educators, and then Educator News. Once you are in here, you can either create a post by clicking on the green box in the upper right corner, or you can clone a post by clicking on the copy or clone icon next to any post that you want to copy. You might clone a post if there's one that is similar to something that you want to create or something you've already created, and then it's just a matter of copying and editing it. Or you can create one from scratch. So I'm just going to go ahead and create one from scratch. You do need to enter a title. This will show up on the title of the post. So I'll just enter the word title here. In here, you're going to enter the body of the content. So this is the information that is going to show in the pop-up. And you can enter all kinds of information in here. There's an opportunity to do links. You can upload images. You can do different kinds of fonts and all those sorts of things. So you can build that out. Up in the right here, you do need to select a start date. So this is the date when the post will appear on the dashboard. Featured until means that the post, if you choose something here, the post will be at the top of the queue until the date that you select. We don't want you to do that unless there's a very specific reason to do so. So generally you will leave this blank. And then expire is a date when the post will disappear from the dashboard. And we do want you to do this if your post will become irrelevant at some point. Like if there's an event on X date, then make it expire the day after. So you might enter something in here. And then the summary is just a very, very short version of the body content, no more than a sentence or two. So it's meant to just be a little bit of a teaser. And please end this with an ellipses. So we'll just do that. And then under category and tags, you will choose first the category that relates to what you are talking about. If a category is missing that you need, please contact Marcom, but I'll just pick one here. And then tags, you have two options. If you are putting this under the news and stories section, then you will type in educator_news, and you'll see that pop up, and that becomes the tag that you select. Or if you are doing this under events and operations, then you will do the educator_notes tag and select that one. So it's going to be one or the other, not both. And then the last thing to do is to add an image. So under thumbnail, you will go to browse, and you can choose from an existing image, or you can upload one. So where these should be stored is under here. There's a section for posts. You go to posts, and then this educators section, educator news. And then you can simply click on an icon, on an image, or you can choose to upload a public resource, which will allow you to pull from Google Drive or My Files, etc. So for the purpose of this, I will just go ahead and click on this. So I've got an image in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and save. And now it will be on the Educator dashboard, and that's it.